Hi guys, back with another video from me, another review of a football kits. Today I will be reviewing a football kits from a national team for the upcoming 2022 World Cup. Alright, so it will be Adidas. So yeah, as you all know, Adidas just recently released their football kits for the national team that they sponsor for the upcoming 2022 World Cup. So I've been thinking about it and I've been feeling that yeah, Adidas really kill it this time with their release of the national team football kits. They have beat Nike, they have beat Puma definitely. Puma are the most trash among the three. They have beat Nike too, yeah, definitely, because Nike are kind of trash too this year 2022 World Cup. So without further ado or anything, I'm just gonna show which jersey they are bought, and this jersey is the best kit that Adidas have released for this 2022 World Cup, like the best kit for all the teams that they sponsor for the 2022 World Cup. So yeah, this is jersey. Let me show you. Really, I think this jersey just the best kit. Yes, since what, last 4 years World Cup, Adidas jersey just quite meh. Like Nike are better, but this time Adidas win it. They really win it. The Japan, the Belgium one, just too good. Yeah, so is it. The Adidas football kits for Argentina. The Argentina 2022 away kit for the 2022 World Cup. Sponsored by Adidas. Front and here's from the back. So one thing that is different for this year 2022 World Cup jersey, the Adidas has actually removed the naming of Adidas. Instead just put the 3 stripes here, the 1, 2, 3. Before this there used to be an Adidas writing down the 3 stripes, but now they just decided to go with the 3 stripes here, and also 3 stripes on the sleeve, the classic one. I just feel like the 3 stripe would be better if you just go down here until the end of the sleeve, but this one also okay. But another thing that is quite different that Adidas have made is just, if you can see clearly, the length of the jersey behind is actually longer than the front one. It's like the old team guys jersey that Adidas used to make during the 2006 World Cup. So I just tried to do some, some mesh classic with the modern look, I guess. So this is it. And one thing that caught my attention for this jersey is definitely the flame, or I don't know what they call, the aurora or the flame, I don't know. The frame here, the flame, the fire, the everything here. This is one that caught my eyes. And also the logo of Argentina, they went all silver, matching with the Adidas logo. Argentina logo usually is actually in white, black and yellow, something like that. I couldn't really recall, but this time they went all like silver out, matched with the proper lining here, the Argentina AFA, Argentina Football Association, also in a purple colorway. From behind here they have the sun. I don't know what's the meaning of the sun. That has something to do with the Argentina football team, I guess. I need to do some research on it. So, and also the collar. Okay, the collar is kind of nice actually. If you like the collar here, it's actually the V-neck, but then they add up another piece of clothing or material here to make it look like a round neck. See? So it's not really like a round neck, but it's not really like a V-neck. So, and then they match it with the yellow lining here, and also which part also the yellow? Okay, and the sleeve. The sleeve also they match with the yellow lining here to match the 3 stripes here. And behind and on the what we call on the down arm here is also a purple one, and this one is actually a mesh material, I guess, for easy flow of air, so that when you're sweating you can dry yourself faster. Yes. And then also here, so the line of purple lining here, and also the behind also have some purple lining down here, you can see. And yeah, that's all about it that I have to show. Like, let's see the inside of the jersey. What else can we see? I mean, there's one jersey also that I've just released, the Belgium one. This one also nice. I've been contemplating whether to take the Belgium or the Argentina way, but I decided to go with Argentina because Messi played for Argentina, and also Argentina is much more better than Belgium. So yeah, the inside of the jersey. The behind one is a dark blue, and I think dark purple, and the front one is a bright purple. The colorway for this jersey, they say, is called Purple Rush. I don't know. Purple Rush, that's the code of the color of the jersey. And then, yeah, for the material wise, you can see it's this mesh here on the downside of the arms. Mesh, and say also this one also. And then, yeah, this side also mesh. And the collar, like I say, it's not a V-neck, but it's a V-neck matched with another piece of different clothing. Like, it's two different piece of what we call a template. See, different. So this is a size S jersey, just released, and you can get 50% off if you're a member of Adi Club. Just install the Adidas app on your phone, and then just show your Adi Club QR code at the counter, and they will give you 50% discount, and you will get it for like 254 ringgit, something like that. Yeah, size S. This is how it looks. The sleeve also just nice. It's not really that tight because it's just we call the the fan issue or the replica issue. So it's not really that fit, and also, yeah, like I said, there's a kind of moon shape. The extra fabric, the longer fabric downside of the behind side of the jersey, and also, yeah, the front one. It's very nice jersey. Just for overall side view, front view, another side view, another behind view. So yeah. That's all for me. Like I say, just a quick review. Just want to do. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you really do want to buy it, download the Adidas app first, and then you get 50% off for this jersey. With just 254 ringgit is really a steal jersey. Okay. So yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and adios.